Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix internal error occurred in your AI Google Studio. So if you're facing that problem, you're going to have to start fresh. So go ahead and start a new chat. Now, if opening a new chat is still not solving your problem, then try a different model. If you have been using any of the model, you're going to have to switch the model and see if it changes or if it fixes your problem. Another thing you could try is launching your incognito tab and get logged into your Google AI Studio and see if it works in incognito tab. So the last thing you could try is selecting this three dot icon. Scroll all the way below, select settings. Under settings, select this privacy and security. Go for third-party cookies. Scroll below, then select see all site data and permissions. Here, search for Google AI Studio. For example, if this is your Google AI Studio, select the bin icon and then select delete. As I do that, you will be required to re-log into your Google AI Studio account. Do that and it will definitely fix the problem. Thank you for watching.